Hey there, Dave is my name from Bug Wholesale, and today we're going to do a quick video to talk you through the Bug Wholesale Interceptor Trap and Detector. Now the design we use is a common design that you'll find available globally, and it is a proven method for trapping bed bugs in your home, hotel or Airbnb. We have three sizes of interceptor trap available. We have the round size, which is suitable for most pieces of furniture, a slightly larger oval trap, and then the large size rectangle trap for large furniture legs and large bed legs. And all three designs work exactly the same way. So how does an interceptor trap work? This is a very simple design. It works with a textured surface around the perimeter of the trap and a textured surface on the interior of the trap. Now this textured surface allows a bed bug to climb up from either the interior or the exterior, eventually falling into the moat, trapping the bed bug. So bug interceptor traps are not designed to kill bed bugs, they're designed to either trap them or to monitor for them. If you have a bed bug infestation, these are a critical part of the process of removing them from your house, motel or Airbnb. And if you're looking to just monitor for bed bugs for possible infestations, these are also a great tool. We're just going to go through a few things that need to be considered to ensure that bed bugs don't have any other access path back onto the bed. These can only isolate the bed from the floor if you've removed all the other access points. So some of the common access points for bed bugs will be to climb up the wall surface and to access the bed that way. So if you make sure that the bed frame is 50 or 60 mil away from the wall and not touching, you want to make sure any skirts, if you have a skirt around an ensemble, that skirt's removed and that's not touching the floor. And the other things are things like towels that are left draped onto the floor, your quilts or duvets, they need to be pulled back up onto the bed so they don't touch the floor. Once we're comfortable that the only access path is through the bed bug trap and detector sitting under the legs, we can be confident that that's going to catch anything trying to access our bed. How can you ensure that you don't get bitten from the first night of full protection? If you've gone through and encased your ensemble base, encased your mattress, pillows and quilt, you've gone through and steamed your bed frame, and you've applied Dream State powder into any of the cracks and crevices on your bed, with an interceptor trap and detector under each and every bed leg, including the central support legs, that will then completely isolate this bed from the floor. There should be no chance that there's any bed bugs on the bed because we've just gone through and steamed everything, encased everything and done a good visual inspection. And at that point you can be certain that from the first night of full protection there will be no more bed bug bites. So as we install these interceptor traps under our bed legs, it's a good idea, and something additional that you can do is applying some Dream State powder to the moat in these traps, and that will ensure that any bed bug that was to fall in will then be sure to die. If you do have any further questions and you want to get in contact with us, you can do so 7 days a week via our contact details which are shown here.